The Rhyl Sixth project is a £3.5 million project, and all of that money has come from the Welsh Assembly Government as part of their transformational efforts to modernise and transform education across Wales. So I'd like to publicly thank the Minister and the Government in general for their commitment, their support, and the way that they've worked so closely with institutions such as ourselves to try and make a difference across Wales. So diolch yn fawr i chi. Bless them.
The new Rhyl Sixth is genuinely a creative way at looking at how you address the challenges of post-16 provision. And I think he was right to say that it is innovative and where you have led others are likely to follow. And I was very pleased to learn that you already have 120 students who started at the new centre, and the best of luck, of course, to all of them with their studies over this next year.
This is a really positive day for the college, as I say, for the town of Rhyl, for Denbighshire, and for the area beyond Denbighshire as well. Especially, as the principal said, for the learners who are currently attending the Rhyl Sixth, and also for those learners that will be looking forward in the future to be part of this college.
I'm extremely proud of this initiative. I'm sure that Rhyl will, in time, be very proud of this initiative.
The Rhyl Sixth Centre offers fantastic opportunity for young learners to do A-levels, but also more vocational courses, and to mix and match to suit their aspirations, to suit what they need. And one of the big benefits they have is we also offer very close tutorial support to support them in the other areas of life. Added to the extra bonus of doing the Welsh Baccalaureate, which builds our key skills and ICT skills ready for preparation for work and wider living, really. It's a great opportunity for the learners of Rhyl.